Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIB update. And so many people are making fun of me when SHIB was pumping to the upside, and I told you that SHIB still doesn't look good to me, and I told you that the bear flag is still going to be in effect, and all you did is went down, make a bear flag, broke down, and the pump that you made was only to retest the flag itself, and I told you it's gonna be rejected here and you might be moving down. The only way to look bullish for SHIB is to break the main flag itself and try to move higher. That's the only way to flip to the other side. But when it came up here, that's still your bear flag in effect, guys. It was never meant to be broken. And look at it again. You're breaking out of it, and it's like you're making another flag, and you're looking for SHIB to basically go from there to there, and this one is going to actually drop you all the way down to nearly this price level, which is going to be 1018. But the main technical target for me, guys, still remains that SHIB is looking to go from there to there, and we're looking for SHIB to come down to nearly 970 level. Okay, now I haven't spoken about the monthly, but the monthly is a bit of an issue right now for Bitcoin as well. And as far as I've seen Bitcoin, it could actually go to $8,500 on the monthly if there's a bear flag trying to play out. But I do see SHIB making a weekly bear flag as well at the moment. At least it's trying to make that bear flag, and you can see that on a weekly, the time that it's spent here, you can actually say that it's trying to break out, and you can see that 790 is also a possibility if this weekly bear flag also plays out at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB. Very quick one. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.